Hello guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to get the stream keys on Instagram if you want to go do Instagram lives. Now, before we begin, this is very easy. I do need to preface by saying that you do need to have your account be a professional account. It's not really hard. So to do this, to get your stream key, it's very easy. Once you've gotten your account to become a professional account, click on Create here on the left-hand side. And here you're going to have a drop down in two options: post, which is post a photo or a video, or live stream. Of course, you want live stream, so click on that. A pop-up will appear, this pop-up. Now it says here, add live video details. You need to add a title. So for this example, let's just do test. And for audience, we're going to do practice. But of course, you want public because you do want to stream publicly, right? So click on practice for now, and then click next. Now, after you click next, it's going to load up, and it's going to give you the stream URL and the stream key. So you just need to copy both of these and put on your OBS Studio, and you're good to go. So that's how you get your stream key on Instagram. That's the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.